Hey everyone, welcome to another exciting episode of Family Moments, where we use really cool object lessons
that teach the truth about what matters most.
Exactly. And today, we're going to have some fun with this.
What's that?
Well, what do you think it is?
It looks like sugar.
It is.
Sweet. Are you sure?
Well, sure, I'm sure. I got it from the pantry in the kitchen.
When it comes to sugar, we can't take any chances.
What are you talking about?
We came prepared.
What in the world? Ow, brother. Hey kids, Pastor Robbie here, along with today's special co-hosts, Azalea and Hazel.
Hello!
And today, we're going to have some fun learning about faith and doubt.
Faith and doubt? I don't believe it.
Well, that's what most people say when they don't have any faith and are full of doubt.
What I meant was, that sounds exciting.
Oh, it is. One of the things that strengthened the disciples' faith was when Jesus performed miracles.
Are we going to do a miracle today?
Well, we're going to do a little experiment to demonstrate one of Jesus' miracles.
Oh boy, which one?
Well, let me just put it to you this way. Have either of you ever tried walking on water?
Walking on water? Are you kidding? We'd sink.
Well, most people would. But let me share the story from Matthew 14, verses 13 through 33.
Wait, are you talking about the story where the disciples were in a boat while Jesus was off playing? And then later in the night, Jesus wanted to catch up with them? So he walked on water? And they were so scared, they thought he was a ghost?
That's the one.
Never heard of it.
Ow, brother. It's only one of the most popular stories in the Bible. Let me review it straight from the Bible, where it says, "Immediately Jesus made the disciples get into the boat and go on ahead of him to the other side while he dismissed the crowd. After he had dismissed them, he went up on a mountainside by himself to pray. Later that night, he was there alone, and the boat was already a considerable distance from the land, buffeted by the waves because the wind was against it. Shortly before dawn, Jesus went out to them walking on the lake. When the disciples saw him walking on the lake, they were terrified. 'It's a ghost,' they said, and cried out in fear. But Jesus immediately said to them, 'Take courage, it is I, don't be afraid.' 'Lord, if it's you,' Peter replied, 'tell me to come to you on the water.' 'Come,' he said. Then Peter got down out of the boat, walked on the water, and came toward Jesus. But when he saw the wind, he was afraid and, beginning to sink, cried out, 'Lord, save me!' Immediately Jesus reached out his hand and caught him. 'You of little faith,' he said, 'why did you doubt?' And when they climbed into the boat, the wind died down. Then those who were in the boat worshipped him, saying, 'Truly, you are the Son of God.'"
Wow, that's an amazing story. Yeah, but how did Jesus actually walk on the water? And why did he walk on the water?
Well, I can't begin to tell you how he did it. That's why it's considered a miracle. But apparently one of the reasons he did do it was to teach us about faith and doubt. Let me demonstrate this for you with a little object lesson I like to call Hope Floats. And all we're going to need is a few glasses or vases, some water, some salt, 2 hard-boiled eggs, some sugar, 2 oranges, and some food coloring.
Wow, that's a lot of stuff.
Well, we're actually going to do 3 experiments.
3?
Oh yeah, we need to put our hope in the Lord, but sometimes we doubt and lose faith. Let me start with these 2 vases filled with water. And we've got 2 oranges. We'll pretend that the outer layer of the orange is your faith. So with a covering of faith in believing in the Lord, you can accomplish the impossible and float. See? But when we doubt and our faith disappears, we'll peel the orange, you sink.
Oh man, like a rock.
Let's try the same thing with these 2 hard-boiled eggs. The first one has no faith, and it sinks to the bottom like this. But the second egg has lots of faith. So let's pretend that this salt is faith. We'll mix it in and stir it up. Now watch what happens.
It floats! Amazing! indeed.
And let's try it one more time with some food coloring. We'll place a couple of drops into the first glass, and it sinks. But in the second glass, we'll pretend that this sugar is your faith. And we'll top it off with just a little more water, and then a couple drops of food coloring.
It floats!
Even when you stir it. See?
I think I'm starting to get the idea. When we believe in Jesus, he can make the seemingly impossible possible.
Having faith instead of doubt is a beautiful thing. So, girls, what did you learn today?
I learned that one of the reasons Jesus did miracles was to strengthen our faith in him.
Exactly.
And we should believe in him even when things might seem impossible.
Very good.
Now, we thought it'd be fun to do a little flow experiment of our own. So, we filled up this container with water. And now we're going...
Wait a minute, isn't that my cell phone?
Relax, have a little faith, would ya? And when we set it on top of the water, it should float. See? Well, that didn't work so well. We forgot to add the salt and the sugar and the extra water on top.
Forget about the salt, the sugar, and the extra water.
Forget about it?
Yeah, get rid of it. I need my phone.
Okay.
That's not what I meant.
Hey, look! Your phone's ringing. Don't worry, I'll turn it on.
Hey, honey, can you stop at the store on your way home? We're running low on salt and sugar.
Ow, brother. Today's episode is sponsored by Matt the Carpet Guy. Located in Delaware, for more than 16 years, they have offered the highest quality flooring product and installation services in the Mid-Atlantic region. They are renowned for their professional work and their competitive prices. And when it comes to flooring, trust me, Matt and his team have got you covered. Now, you can find out more about Matt the Carpet Guy by checking out their website or by clicking the link in the description below. And if you'd like to find out more about possibly sponsoring an episode or a series of Family Moment episodes, just drop us an email at contact@familymomentsfun.com. We would love to have you partner with us as we teach the truth about what matters most.